Yeah, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mike. Welcome to another video. So in this video, this is how I caught USDJPY on a buy trade. You can see USDJPY is on a buy, right? I have news. News is coming up in. I think news is gonna come up in 6 minutes time, right? I have news. Let me check my calendar. Yeah, news is coming up. Yeah, news is coming up. News is coming up in 5 minutes, right? So my heart is kind of beating because I don't even know where the market is heading to, but I know that the market is going to go up, right? But this trade now, I took my what's it called? I took break even on this trade now. This trade is on break even. Even the market go down now and took me out, I'm safe because it's on break even, right? So let me tell you guys what I see, like what I really saw on this trade and made me to this trade. If you go to on a daily time frame, right? If let's go on a daily time frame, you can see the market is on the downtrend. The market is not going up. The market is not going up yet. It's on a downtrend, right? So I seen this trade. I was like, yeah, man, this is a good trade for me to buy now. I did my analysis and I went to daily time frame. You can see. Let me shrink the chart, right? You can see the market is going up. I took my buy here. So on the let's go to 4 hour time frame, right? If we go on the 4 hour time frame, you can see. Look at what the market is doing. Let's see now. The market I have seen so many downtrend. You understand? USDJPY has been on a downtrend, bro. The market is not giving us a very buy setup. You understand? But yes, today I suggested to I like my own analysis today was to buy a USDJPY, and I did. I did bought USDJPY and is on profit, right? And news is coming up in 4 minutes now. In 4 minutes, see what happened on a 4 hour time frame. If you look at this, you can see my trend line. I have my trend line over here. This is the first trend line. This is the second trend line. He broke it there. He gave us a retest and he touched here. He went up, and it's now going up again, right? He went up here and he came down. It's going up again. Let's go back to 1 hour time frame. If you go to 1 hour time frame, you can see the market. See what the market is doing. You can see the market. See the market is going one. The market gave us this first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. The market did as so many touches. Understand? But now it retested. The market retested from here. This is on a 1 hour time frame, right? The market retested over here and it dropped. It dropped now. See what I saw that made me took this trade, right? This trade after on 1 hour time, like 1 hour time frame, I mark out all my trend line. You can see this is a trend line. One, you see, he gave us a retest here. He gave us two retests. First retest here, second retest, and the market dropped. And the market started dropping right here. Trade I caught. See how I caught the trade on a 30 minutes time frame, right? I seen yeah. I'm like, yo, man, this trade is a beautiful trade. I might capitalize on this trade because I seen the market touch here. This is the first touch. This is the second touch on the downtrend. This is the third touch, right? I seen the market was going to give me a retest from here in this psychological level. I thought the market was going to give me a retest over there. So I waited for the market to give a retest, and now it's still going on. News is coming in. So look at how I bought here. I see the market touch here. One, two, three, four. You see my lower down trend, like my lower what's it called? My lower trend line. You can see the market is still going. Let's see where the market is going to head up to. You understand? I don't know whether the market is going to go up or down. You understand? This is on 30 minutes time frame. Let's see. This is on a live trade, right? I'm on this trade. Take a look at this. I'm on 2.9k on my FTMO challenge. You know, I lost my FTMO challenge last week and I bought another one today. So I'm up 2,900, you understand? But I don't even know where the market is going to go up or go down. We can see, take a look at this trade. I don't know if you guys can see. If you guys can really see it, I'm on a trade now. Understand? This is a live trade, right? Let's see what the market is going to do. This is like a live trade. The news is coming up. The news will be coming up in the news will be coming up in 2 minutes time. The news is coming up, right? Let's see what the market have for us. But this trade was a beautiful trade I took, but no trade, right? No stress. Let's see what the market has for us. No stress. I'm not stressing on this trade. But this trade is kind of giving me heart attack because it's not giving me heart attack, but the trade is like it might go down or it might go up. This is part of trading, right? I'm not trading with emotions. My emotion is intact, right? So let's see where the market is going. Let's see. We have to wait for a bit and let's see how the market is going to react. Understand? If the market react and take us out on my break even, that means we're good. You understand? If it doesn't, that means we're still in profit. Let's see. Let's see what the market is about to do. Market is about to drop in a minute. Let's see. Let's see the news. Take a look at the news. Take a look at the news. 20 seconds, right? In 20 seconds, the market is about to drop. Let's see. In 20 seconds. In 20 seconds, man. Let's see, man. Let's see. Let's see. It's on the trade USDJPY. USDJPY. Let's see how the market is going to do. I want to see how the market is going to react here. You can see. Let's see how the market reacted. And let's see how the market react here. Let's see. The market is reacting. You can see it's reacting. Let's see. It's reacting. The market is reacting. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see how the market is going to go. Let's see. The market is reacting over here. Although the news is not that strong, but let's see. Okay, it's going up. Okay, it's going up. It's down now. All right, let's see. Let's see. This trade was a beautiful trade I took on USDJPY. Understand? Although I wasn't risking much, I was risking a little, but it wasn't much because this is my first FTMO account on 140k. Understand? It made me realize that yeah, last time I wasn't using risk management, but this trade now, right? I just want to make sure I get payout because I'm gonna stick to my risk management, you understand? No over trading, no over leveraging. Just make sure everything is intact, right? Just let's see how the market goes. So on it, you can see on this trade is still valid. If you guys are saying this trade right, this trade is still valid. Just make sure you learn something from this video, right? This is the trade. See, the market gave me, you can see the market gave me a W pattern, right? W pattern really means the market gave me this W pattern for buys. Understand? If you see in any market you're trading, right, and you see something like this, essentially it's not gonna happen in every trade, but most of the time, bro, it does happen. Right? See this trade? You see, he gave us this and see this trade, this W pattern, right? It always happen, right? The market always, you always understand, it always happens. So let's see. See this W pattern, right? This W pattern means buy. Understand? This one means sell. The M pattern means sell. Double top means sell. Double bottom means buy. Understand? So he gave me this. The market gave me this. See, the market gave me this double bottom. That means for buy, and I entered. My stop loss. You can see my stop loss was 30, 35 pips, and I'm targeting for 140. 46 pips, you understand? Let's say like let's say mm, what's it called? 4.11 risk to reward, you understand? I was risking 35 pips, now I'm targeting 146. That means uh I'm risking one to get four. Understand? This is how trading used to be, you understand? So this is how, let's see what the market really has to do, you understand? If you take a look what I'm teaching, I'm telling you guys, if you take a look at this downtrend, you can see the market gave us this straight downtrend on a 30 minutes time frame. You can see the market gave us a very good downtrend, but you can see very good downtrend, and this is what happened. This is what happened, right? Very, it touched here. Let me mark out something. It touched here. First touch. This is second touch, and this is a third touch, right? He gave us this first touch, second touch, and third touch, right? You know what I did? I know that yes, the market is going to break. It's going to break up to the upside. The market is going to break to the upside, right? That's why you have to pay attention to the market. Always backtest to know all this simple method the market does. Understand? Market might do some many styles. Understand? Market always repeat itself all the time. So the market gave me this. He gave us first touch, second touch, and touch. I know the market was going to retest because of what? The market touched here and it dropped. The market touched this line. You can see this big candle, red candle. The market touched here and it dropped. And here, I seen the consecutive candles, right? The candle wasn't going, it wasn't going up, it wasn't going down. The only thing the candle was doing was just to, accumulating candles here, and it will spike up. And I'm already in the trade. Understand? I entered this trade by 5 a.m. in the morning, and this is currently 250 now. Understand? I'm still on the trade. Understand? This is how trading works. Sometimes the market might not give you what you want, like immediately. You have to wait for the market to do what it does. Understand? If this trade is gonna give me, it's gonna make me a winning trade, I will take it like that. If it's gonna end up in break even, I'll take it like that. That's always trade next week. Tomorrow is Friday. I'll stop trading on Fridays because trading trading on Fridays, the market, like the market makers always manipulate the market. You understand? I've traded almost like consecutive four Fridays. You understand? The market is fucked up. Understand? So let's see. The market is going down. You can see I'm only down. I'm down now. I'm not even up 3,000 again. I'm up like, see, 2,000 now. You can see the market took almost 1,000 something, right? But I'm still holding the trade. I just want to see how the market works. Understand? I think the market might even go down and take me out, or it might go up and take me up. Understand? But I don't even know how the market see. The market is still going down, right? Let's see how the market works. But for now, this trade is getting. I wish I knew I could have just closed the trade and would just go with my 3,000. But trading, you see, I've started thinking rationally, but it's not how trading works. Understand? Because of the news, man, I thought the market was gonna end up to this level, to 100 and to this 175. You see, 147.501 or 500. I thought the market was gonna reach to this level, but I think the market is doing what it does. But let's see. Let me see. We're still watching on the trade, right? This is the trade. Pay attention to this trade, right? Always backtest. You can see the market went up, gave us the retest, and here he gave us this beautiful, beautiful buy, W pattern. Anytime you see this W pattern, make sure you go long. Understand? When you see double pattern, go up, go long, right? If you see double bottom or double top means go down, M pattern. Double bottom means go up. That means buy. Understand? So pay attention to this. Let's see what the market does. Understand? This video is not going to take much of your time. So this video is going to be like a quick video. If the news is done now, if the news the candle will be, this 30 minutes candle will be closing in 8 minutes. So if this candle closes in 8 minutes, that means I'm going to close the live. You understand? This is a live trade. You can see the market is live, and I'm up like 102K. You can see I was up 3,500 before, but the market went down. It took almost 1,000, so 1,400 or 1,500, and now I'm down. You can see I'm down. I'm only 2,000. It's now 2,002K. You understand? 2.2K. So let's see what the market has to do. So that's how we're saying. Let's see. Obviously, the market is going to go down. Like, it's going to go down and take me out. But let's see. Not too much. Let's see. Let's see. The market is gone. So always pay attention to trend line. Always pay attention to trend line, psychological levels. You understand? All this line I have here is called psychological level, because what psychological level means is the trade have to touch some levels. Like when we are counting, like let's say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We count in this trading stuff, in these psychological levels is the numbers that the banks always pay attention to. These lines here, these one, let's say here I have 146.000. That means 146,000. 146,000. The next one was 146,500. The next one is 147,000. 47,000. The other one is 147,500. This is how the market works. The market makers, right? The banks, they pay attention to these levels, make the market so easy to predict. You understand? The market is not easy. You can't trade You can't trade every day and win all market every day. But sometimes if you have your edge, you understand? Because this trade now was my edge, you understand? Although the market is still going down, although you gave me a bid, the market gave me a very strong belief that it's still going to go up, but still it started going down. That's what the market does, you understand? So in this video now, or even if you didn't learn anything from this video, always learn that. See this trade now? First touch, second touch, and third touch. The fourth touch is going to give you a retest. It's going to break. If you're on a downtrend like this, it's going to break and it's going to go up to the upside. Understand? The other one is uptrend. Uptrend is the market is going up this way. The market is going up this way, right? Going up this way, consecutive going like with full force going up. Just always make sure you wait for a retest. If you wait for a retest, you're gonna catch out. You're gonna cash out big. If you wait for a retest like this one now, I wasn't in this trade because I haven't bought my FTM with them. But see, the market is still doing what it does. But let's see. Understand? I'm emotional in this trade because I could have just closed this trade and and just take a rest. But the trade was too. It was a very good trade, but see what he's doing. He's just giving me a backside. So let's see. The market is I don't like what the market is doing for real, bro. I thought the market is gonna go straight up, and I hit my TP, but still it's still jumping down. But it's crazy, man. I waited for this trade from 5 a.m. in the morning till this is almost 3 o'clock now, but the market is still dropping down. Understand? Let's see. Let's see. See the market is going down. Still going down. This where like my break even, I set my break even here. My break even was here. Yeah, my break even was yeah, my break even was um 80 85. You can see my break here was my break even. Here was my break even. So if the market touches here, this blue line, the market is gonna take me out because this is my break even. But let's see. I think the market is still gonna go up. That's my thought. The market might even go up, hit this level before it drop. You understand? Or it's gonna go straight down and take me out. Either like one of them, something must happen. Understand? So that's why we learn. We keep learning every day. You can see this is the trade we took. So let's see. I'm just waiting on this trade because I have a lot of confidence on this trade, but it's like my confidence is gonna fail me now because the market is not respecting what I said. Understand? He kind of respected it though, but he wasn't full respecting. I want the market to respect my levels all day. Understand? I'm just playing, man. But I just want my market to just respect my levels, understand, so that I can start see what I predicted for. But see, the market is still it's just dropping now. Let's see. Let's see. The candle is gonna close in 2 minutes. This candle is gonna close in 2 minutes. Another candle is gonna pop up. Once another candle pops up, let's see whether it's gonna go up or still gonna drop. The market USDJPY is crazy. It might drop or I don't even know. But let's see, man. Let's see, bro. See what the market is saying, man. See what the market is saying, bro. It's still going down. It's still going down, bro. I see. It's a beautiful trade, bro. Just everything I said here, just watch this video again. Son, watch this video again. You can see, you can understand it. Like backtest so much, you understand? Just backtest. Immediately if you backtest, you will see all these symbols, right? All these strategies, all this pattern the market always does. Trust me, you will see everything if you keep backtesting, understand? If you want to trade, focus on USDJPY, GBPJPY, GBP USD, or gold. I used to trade gold, but I'm not consistent. Like I'm not consistent on gold. I might make profit today, I might lose it tomorrow. But USDJPY and GBPJPY, I might make profit today, I might keep it tomorrow. Understand? But gold, I'm not even stable. Understand? I have people that is stable on gold, but let's see. Let's see what the market does. Let's see what the market does, man. Let's see, man. Let's see. Yeah. Uh-huh. Let's see, man. The market is only 1 minute away just to just to close and bring another candle. The market is going to close in 56 seconds and bring another candle. Let's see, man. This is what the market is going to pull up. Let's see how it pulls up. Let's see how it pulls up, man. Let's see, man. I know this video might even take like longer time, but just have patience, you understand? You might even learn a lot from this video, right? I'm telling you, you might learn a lot from this video because, you know, this is how we start, you understand? I start, so let's see. Let's see, man. Just saying, bro. You can see, if you take a look at my background, you can see where I'm at, bro. I'm my favorite spot, you can see. I don't know, I'm just recording with my laptop, so I don't even know whether you guys can see it, understand? So this this is the video now, understand? So make sure, moral lesson, bro, moral lesson, I'm talking about like moral lesson. You should make sure you have your risk management intact, right? Make sure you have your risk management. Make sure that you're not risking much you can afford to lose. In this trade, I was only risking 1%. On the on a 140k account, 1% is like 1,500 or 1,004 something. So I'm risking 1,500 on this trade, and I'm already on break even, right? So let's see what the market is going to do. But the market is about to go up or go down. I don't know. So if you learn anything about this trade, bro, always let me one more moral lesson, bro. Let me go ahead and like explain this trade one more time because my whole focus was on this trade, watching the news. But let's see. If you go to daily time frame, right? Daily time frame is where I see where the daily time frame, like where the daily market is going to, like the daily market where it's going to, right? See, the market is on a downtrend. The market is on a downtrend, right? See, my trend line is there. First touch, second touch, right? I'm waiting for this. The market pull up here. Maybe anytime this year or next year, it's gonna drop. I'll show you that. So, 4 hours time frame, you can see the market is on a bullish here. This long trend line I did here, market was on a bullish, right? And it retested here, it retested here, and it kept dropping. On a 1 hour time frame, on a 1 hour time frame, you can see this is a very beautiful trade we took here. My psychological level, you see, my trend line was there. Understand? It was there. I think the market is going to drop. I might have to just close the trade, or let me just wait. You understand? Nobody knows, but let me just see if I can wait more. Understand? So this is the trend line. One, it dropped. First, it dropped. Second one, it dropped. Third one, it dropped. Right? It dropped, and the fourth one, it broke here. The market broke here. The market broke here, and now it started going up. Understand? I could have taken some break even. I could have been on, let's say, 2 point something, but that was not my profit target. My profit target was all the way here. But it's like the market is gonna drop. It's still dropping down, right? But let's see. Yeah, it's gonna drop. The market is gonna take me out. I think the market is gonna take me out, but let's see. This is on a 1 hour time frame. On a 1 hour time frame, the market is dropping heavily. So all my confidence, all my confidences, everything it wasn't right because of my psychology or my risk target. My risk tolerance was bad. But let's see. On a 30 minutes time frame, right? On the 30 minutes time frame, is a actual setup. Is an actual setup. Give us a W pattern here, and I went buying. And it took me up. Now it didn't even hit my take profit. Now it's going down to my entry level. That means it's gonna take me out on this trade. This trade is gonna end up in break even, right? Break even trade. It's sad, man. I don't like break even, bro. I don't like break even for real. I don't like break even, but sometimes you have to face it, right? Instead of taking a loss, you take a break even. Understand? So this is how I call the trade. This is how I call the trade on USDJPY. So if you learn anything on this trade, Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the comment section. Understand? I'm gonna close this trade, right? I'm gonna close this trade. Yeah, this is I'm gonna close it. So see you guys in another video. Understand? I'm going if you really want me to be making this kind of video, live trade, understand? I'll keep making this kind of video. If you people support me, understand? Support, like, just let's grow together. Understand? Let's grow together. Peace out, guys. Understand? Peace out so much. This trade I'm already closing it. Thank you so much.